Hi, in today's recipe, we're gonna have vanilla oat cafe latte. And you need 1 organo cafe latte.
And then you will need 3/4 cup of oatmeal, 1/4 cup of hot water, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. Let's start the mixing process. So we're gonna use our sachet latte that we're gonna put in hot water, all of it. Do a bigger cup than I need. There we go. All of water. Okay. In hot water, of course, so it can dissolve properly. And we're not looking for a perfect consistency when we're mixing it because we're gonna mix it with the hot milk as well. So we don't need to worry about that one. Then, when this part is mixed, we are going to add our pinch of milk. So, the cinnamon and vanilla extract. And now, you're going to use your floss. Make sure you have a good, smooth consistency. And now we can add our coffee into the mix. Mix it one more time. Ooh, perfect consistency. It smells amazing. And we can pour it. That's perfect. And Edward's going to give us the owner.
Thank you, Christelle.
1 sip. Oh,
I like it. Good.
This is how you can do amazing drink from your kitchen. Enjoy.